Good evening, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Masafumi Nogimori, and as IFPMA acting president, it is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the 26th IFPMA Assembly Dinner this evening at this so splendid atmosphere. I'm very pleased that tonight we have a great mixture of different partners that IFPMA is enjoying working together. And I highly appreciate you spare your precious time with us for this event. Thank you very much. Tonight, we heard very inspiring words from Sir George Alain. We are very much grateful that he has made distinguished contribution to the global health for a long time, especially in the field of AIDS, HIV, virus infection. And I'm personally so much impressed his enthusiasm in coping with NCDs. Since in pharmaceutical industries, detailing and promotion is one of the most important elements to do our business. This is a reception of IFPMA, so taking this opportunity, let me advertise our organization to you by looking back our major activities in this year, 2012. This year was a very busy year for pharmaceutical industries. First, in January, our member companies joined the so-called London Declaration together with their partners, announcing collaborative scheme to control and eliminating 9 neglected tropical diseases in next 10 years. Secondly, in the field of non-communicable diseases, we continued our steady work to investigate public policy and facilitate health education and prevention on NCDs. We also changed our logo. It has become very beautiful, as you can see here, and made our new IFPMA Code of Practice to strengthen transparency of our whole activities in relation to outside communities. Those are just a few examples of how our industry is making efforts to contribute to improving global health. Although we have a very clear mission, that is promotion of human health, we do not have a clear exit. In other words, there's no end to our work. So to attain our goal, it is indispensable for us to work with all stakeholders here efficiently and effectively. To this end, I'd like to ask all of you to give your continuous best support to our activities. Last but not least, at today's IFPMA's council meeting, we elected the new president of IFPMA. He is Dr. John Reckreiter, currently Chairman, President, and CEO of Eli Lilly. And I would also ask for your great support to him. So lastly, I wish you a pleasant evening and a productive and very informative assembly meeting tomorrow. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.